Hello YouTube, I'm back here to show you a video how to make ringtones for your iPhone or iPod touch. It's really easy way, and here I'm just gonna show you. First, open iTunes, pick a song that you wanted the ringtone. For example, we're gonna take In and Out of Love for Armin. Go to the menu bar right here, Advanced, create AAC version, wait till complete, converting. Okay, it's completed. Now see, it's a second version. 1, 2. Click on the second version. Right click, get info, and here you can click options. Here you can set the start time and stop time as you like. And the maximum for iPhone ringtone or iPod it's 40 seconds. I'm gonna put 30 seconds just to show you. Okay, the start time is 0. Stop time 30. Okay, click OK and keep clicking on it. Click advanced right here. Create AAC version. Completed. Third version right here. Click delete the second version. Delete. Remove. Move to trash. Okay. Now right click on the third version. Show in Finder. Okay. Just move it right here. Now go back to iTunes. Right click. Delete. Remove, but keep file. Okay. Keep file. Okay. Now we go here. Edit the name. We're not gonna add the edit the name for the song. We're gonna add the extension. Okay, just M4A, M4R. Oh, sorry, M4R. Just one letter. Click enter. Blah blah blah. Use M4R. Okay. Click on it. See, it's playing. It's playing right here. Go to ringtones and you'll see it's playing. For a second. Well, how to add it to your iPhone? It's really easy. Well, my iPhone is not plugged. You're gonna go to your iPhone here. When it's plugged, it will show here. Then click on your iPhone. Go to ringtones right here. It's not here. I'm sorry. Just go to ringtones and click sync ringtones. Then ringtones. Oh yeah, pick a song. The ringtone I mean. Pick the ringtone. Click apply, and that's all. Hope this video helped, and tell me what you think of this video, and tell me if you need anything more. Thank you.